Should I have that difficult conversation today? Should I finally check my bank account balance? Should I look up what this symptom means? In each case, your brain whispered something. Later. Not now. Maybe tomorrow. Not because later is smarter. Because later is easier. Your brain doesn't optimize for truth. It optimizes for comfort, and that's costing you more than you realize. Your brain runs on a tight energy budget. It's only 2% of your body weight, but it consumes 20% of your total energy. For our ancestors, that mattered deeply. Every calorie counted for survival. So evolution designed a shortcut system. It's called cognitive ease, the brain's preference for minimal mental effort. In a calorie-scarce world, this kept humans alive. But here's the mismatch. In today's world, easy choices are often wrong. Your neural wiring hasn't caught up yet. Imagine opening your inbox, 47 unread messages staring back at you. One clearly says, urgent, decision needed. Another says, fun quiz, what coffee are you? Which do you click first? Be honest. So let's break down exactly what happens when comfort goes to war with truth, and why comfort wins almost every time. Your brain operates two distinct systems. System 1 is fast, automatic, effortless. It's a smooth conveyor belt for instant decisions. System 2 is slow, analytical, deliberate. It's a manual inspection station requiring conscious effort. Cognitive ease keeps you locked in System 1 because System 2 burns precious mental fuel. 4 triggers amplify cognitive ease. Repetition makes familiar information feel true. Clear presentation makes attractive information feel right. Positive mood reduces your mental scrutiny completely. And priming means context shapes perception instantly. Here's where it gets dangerous. This is why fake news spreads so effectively. Research shows repeated false claims feel increasingly true, even when facts directly contradict them. The largest truth boost happens at second exposure. After that, each repetition adds smaller believability gains. Repetition creates cognitive ease. Your brain mistakes ease for accuracy. Cognitive ease creates false confidence. When information feels easy to process, something happens. You dramatically overestimate your comprehension. You trust your decision quality without questioning it. Then there's the recency bias trap. Your brain overvalues experiences that ended well. It undervalues experiences that ended poorly, regardless of their actual overall value. Imagine comparing 2 job offers. Job A had great first interviews, but the final meeting revealed multiple red flags. Job B had awkward early conversations, but the last interview felt genuinely exciting. Which job do you choose? Most people choose Job B. The ending feeling overpowered the complete evidence. Your brain encodes memories selectively, not completely. Peak moments trigger stronger neural activation patterns. Ending experiences get disproportionate memory weight. This isn't one region winning over another. It's how your entire memory system operates. Scientists tested this with cold water. Group 1 submerged hands in freezing water, 14 degrees Celsius for 60 seconds. Group 2 did the same 60 seconds, but then kept hands in slightly warmer water, 15 degrees for 30 more seconds. Which experience did people prefer repeating? Group 2 chose the 90-second experience, even though it was longer overall. The slightly less painful ending rewrote their memory. This creates a cascading pattern. Comfortable choice leads to false confidence. False confidence makes you ignore warning signs. Ignored warnings lead to poor outcomes. Then you feel surprised regret. But here's the powerful reframe. Cognitive strain isn't your enemy. It's a signal that System 2 is engaging, that you're thinking deeply, not defaulting blindly. Your brain penalizes precision for a reason. Neurons are metabolically expensive to operate. Better decisions literally cost more glucose. Evolution chose efficiency over accuracy. That was adaptive in calorie-scarce environments. In today's information-rich world, it's backward. Learn to recognize cognitive ease as warning, not as confirmation. When a decision feels obviously right, That's precisely when you need to question it. Research on disfluency proves this works. Information that's harder to process improves memory. Difficulty forces your brain into deeper analysis. The struggle creates stronger neural encoding. So here's what you can actually do. 3 practical shifts turn strain into advantage. Your brain choosing comfort isn't a flaw. It's a feature designed for different conditions, but awareness changes everything. Before important decisions, deliberately introduce strain. Write detailed pros and cons lists. Sleep on it overnight. Consult someone who disagrees with you. When something feels obviously right, ask yourself, am I in System 1 right now? Or have I engaged System 2? Track your decisions over time. Note when you chose comfort versus difficulty. Review the actual outcomes each month. Patterns will emerge that surprise you. The comfortable door leads back where you started. The difficult door leads somewhere new. The easy decision and right decision rarely align. The question isn't whether you'll feel cognitive strain. It's whether you're willing to tolerate it long enough to make choices that serve you. If this gave you clarity, subscribe to ThoughtMargin. We explore ideas like this every single week.